So, Dennis, is this your first eco project?
Yeah, it is, and I hope it won't be the last because I really enjoy my time here.
I understand that you gained some information. How are you going to spread the information?
First of all, I think my friends in Romania will really enjoy this information. I want to raise awareness between my acquaintances because this is important stuff, you know? Everybody should know a little bit of ecology and stuff that helps the planet.
Do you think that ecology is more of a trend or necessity these days?
These days, I think it's a necessity. People care more because of the way the world is like. So people have the necessity to talk about it because we need to change our what we do. Yeah, I think it's a necessity nowadays. Also, trends became a trend because it's like good to be ecological, and people get to talk about it more. But that's good. I think that's good also. Yeah, we can get good things.
Have you ever taken part in an ecology project before?
No, I haven't, but I'm very happy that I did this time because you don't get the chance so often to learn stuff like that.
Yeah, okay. And do you think that you will use the knowledge that you gained in this project in the future?
Yeah, I'm sure I will because, our world really needs it. It's in a really bad state, and I think I'll share the knowledge with my friends so we could do some ecology activities together.
What expectations did you have about this project?
Hello, how you doing? My name is Antonio. I literally didn't know what to expect. I knew we were going to do some activities, and they were about ecology, but I wasn't sure what we were going to do. I knew there was going to be photography. I knew that was related with ecology. I also knew I was going to meet new people, and I expected to have fun as well.
Okay. And last question, did you learn anything new during this project?
Yes, I did learn a lot about ecology. I learned about industrialization, all the different topics there are, like methane gas, emissions, air pollution, because obviously the activities were related to this. Also really enjoyed meeting Poland. It was really nice meeting Polish people, meeting Romanian people, and I also learned how to cooperate, and especially with my team, because my team is younger people, and helping to organize everyone, and I think it was valuable for me in the future. maybe if I have children or something like that. And just in terms of socializing is, I think it's a very good experience. Definitely.
How much you've learned in this project?
I learned a lot of things, like how important is the motivation and how to maintain goal-oriented behaviors. After this project, I'm more interested to interact with the environment.
Yeah. Are you gonna use those informations in the future?
Yeah, I'm gonna use it because I would like to have a business about virtual clothes to resolve the problem of fast fashion.
Would you like to participate in Erasmus again?
Yes, of course. I loved this experience because I get to meet so many new people from other countries, and you guys were so friendly and all of that. I loved it because of it. And yeah, of course, I would do this again and again and again. Yes.